Hello. So before we get started, I just wanted to address something. I make these videos for me. I make these videos for fun, to keep you updated and keep myself updated, because I feel like I learn when I can teach, right? So I kind of make these videos to be lighthearted, but also to kind of stay in the know with what's happening in VR. So when people report my content unjustifiably, it makes me angry. And it's not what we want to be, which is good VR ambassadors. So to the person, I don't know who it was, but to the person who reported my content, I just have this to say. You, your mother, you hide behind internet anonymity, and it was hard for me to pronounce that because you're a piece of and I hate you. I wish I knew who you were so I could mouth you piece of your mother dogs in hell for quarters, you cuck. Alright, just had to have a quick moment of levity in between the seriousness. But I am back with another video. In this video, I am going to bring you the unboxing I did for the Oculus Go that I bought. That is right, I now own an Oculus Rift and an Oculus Go, and the news around the Oculus Santa Cruz is getting a little enticing, but I'm still kind of on the fence. If you remember, I was on the fence about buying an Oculus Go, but I went ahead and pulled the trigger because I just wanted to see what the experience was like. And I can tell you that for a consumption device, it is not bad. I'll let the unboxing speak for itself. It's 2 months, maybe 3 months behind, but this is the first time I've done an unboxing, so please bear with me, and I think you'll enjoy it. The apps, there could be a lot more content, a lot more serious content. The Oculus Go is meant to be used to show people as an entry level into the Oculus, so you got to figure out what you want to download. To show people for cool experiences. If you're going to show people who like to create, maybe you want Paint VR. If you want to show them cool experiences, you might want to download Within. And if you want to kind of play a game, maybe Dead and Buried is the way to go. But for the price tag, I got the 64 gigabit Oculus Go, and it seems to be a worthwhile investment because everybody I've put on went from zero VR experience to kind of feeling it out and say, hey, this could be something that I get into. But without further ado, here is the Oculus Go unboxing.
All right, this is the Oculus Go. Oculus Go 64 gigabytes. That's right. Made you look. Okay. Don't adjust your set. I am black. I am darker complexion. I am going to open it with this fork because I'm a child and I don't have anything sharp around me. And God damn it, it doesn't work. Oh! Just rip it off, bro. All right, we're going at it. So I'm going to attack the edges here with anything. There we go. Got trusty old fucking pencil. All right, plastic comes off. Smells nice. Oculus Go logo there. Some good stuff. Quality content right here. 64 gigabytes. It doesn't change as I take off the plastic. A little back gloss. Ooh, sexy time. Okay. And now for the pièce de résistance. Open. There she is. I don't have a name for her, but here's the controller. Let me adjust that really quickly. Yeah, here's the controller. It's got 2 buttons on it. Sensors covered in plastic with the trigger. Beep, beep, beep. And a sleeve at the end. Wires and stuff in here, I guess. Hey, power supply and buffer. You got the headset in here. This is the legend of everything I got. So I got my lanyard, I got my battery, I got my plug, my lens cloth in here. That guy, directions, how to assemble, and they even give you a battery, dude. This is kind of cool. Sweet. And there's my lanyard to attach it to my hand so I don't throw it across the room. And now here is the big guy. This is the device. This is what you paid the money for. Inside, grab your phone to get started. That's right. You need the Oculus app to download the apps and the experiences, and then it transfers it to your device with your login and your account. It doesn't tell you, it doesn't register that you already have a Rift, but, you know, that's second gen, I guess. You got the lens protectors. We'll take it off when we're ready. And that protector there, I don't know why that's protecting, but it's protecting it. And that's everything that's inside there. And these are the instruction manuals and the charging cables. So in case, you know, it's not self-explanatory for you, and that goes over there in the trash, we'll never use that again. And we'll probably never even read this, so that goes over there. And that, yeah, everything into the trash. A-OK made you look.